Welcome to Genki 1, Lesson 12, Grammar Point 3. Excuse me. In this grammar point, you're going to learn how to offer advice to somebody. Okay, so the direct translation or the literal translation of this grammar point, which is "ほうがいいです," is "it is better that you do such and such." In essence, it's more similar to when we say in English, "Oh, you should do such and such." We know the ほうがいいです construction from our comparatives that we learned. A no 方が B よりいいです. The interesting thing about this construction is that you're going to use a different tense depending on whether you're giving advice that somebody should do something or that somebody should not do something. If your advice is in the affirmative, you use the past tense affirmative short form plus 方がいいです. So you should study 勉強した方がいいです. If you're giving negative advice, you shouldn't stay up too late. And then you would use the present tense negative short form plus 方がいいです. For example, あんまり遅くまで起きない方がいいです. Okay, so this is pretty uncommon so far in what we've seen. Usually when we have these type of constructions, it's only one form that precedes that construction. I came up with some examples here. So in the green, also these ways of giving advice are nice ways to respond to んです sentences where somebody is giving you a reason or asking for some type of explanation or help. So in the first example, 明日テストがあるんです。じゃあ今晩勉強した方がいいですよ。And as you see here, it's quite common to use the yo, the emphatic yo, after you give advice because this is something you feel that other person should do. Right, so I have a test tomorrow. Therefore, I am studying or bummed out or concerned. And then B says, well, you should study tonight then, right? You better study tonight. In the second example, the blue example, 成績が良くないんです。授業を休まない方がいいですよ. Right, so in the second example, A is worried about their grades, right? My grades aren't very good. B says, well, you shouldn't be absent from class then. Okay, so in the green first example, 勉強した方がいい, you have an affirmative short form past tense verbal phrase. In the second one, 授業休まない方がいいです, it is a negative short form present tense phrase. Make sure to read through the short grammar point in the Genki textbook on page 272 and take the short quiz that will follow this, that will be up on my courses, and I will see you in class.